questions I have for either people or just about the world. Question one. Why isn't the earth flat? What if it was flat? What if it was a different shape? What would happen then? Would it still rotate? Just on pretty there, British there. Would it still rotate though? Would it still be on a tilted axis? Question two. What if we're hallucinating and life isn't real? You know? Let's poverty. Well, seriously, what if life wasn't real? What if what if just what if? Question three. What if we were cavemen? What if what if we were cavemen? What would we eat? Dinosaurs? Maybe? Grass perhaps? Because I know for dang sure that we ain't eating mayonnaise. Like, no. But, yeah. What if we were cavemen? Or cave women? Or cave non-gender specific people? Question four. What if social media didn't exist? That's a big one. What if what if we couldn't record fights in our school? Would we would just draw 'em, to be honest. Question four. Why do older people little kids? Just why? Why do you do that? And I'm not saying like just older men. I'm talking older women too. Some ladies do that as well. I'm not singling out anybody. Like why? Why do they do that? It's creepy. Question five is the last question. What if women didn't get rights yet? What if women didn't have rights yet, like the right to vote and the right to have jobs? Anyways, that's all for this video. And I hope you all have a good day or night or afternoon